Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these simple canes that can be turned into effective veneers and beautiful earrings. We're starting with very simple elements. As you can see, there will be no blends, which of course you can use in your own project. You don't need big canes either, so I'm using very little clay. I chose black and red for this project. The first cane we're making is a simple leaf. Take a small log of red clay and cut it into 3 to 4 strips. Put a thin strip of black clay between each piece. Cut the cane in half, but do it a little bit off-center. You will need to turn one section upside down. The black strips will no longer line up, and that's what we're looking for. Cut a strip of black to put in the middle and connect the halves together. Then wrap the whole cane in another strip of black and reduce. And here we have a simple leaf. Next cane is a flower petal. Wrap a small log of red clay in a thin strip of black. Use either your needle tool or a knitting needle to push a small channel in the log. It helps if the channel is in the center. Then use a small black log to put in the channel. You will need to cut off the excess and then squeeze the side with the channel into a point, and then reduce the cane. This petal is done. For this next petal, use another red log wrapped in black. Cut off about a third of the log, and then save the small section for another petal. Put the resulting cane onto your work surface with the red side down, and then start cutting channels using the blunt side of your blade. Fill those channels randomly with thin strips of black clay. something like a credit card or a squeegee to push on top of the clay to make more channels. Fill the channels with small snakes of black clay. Repeat the process a few times until you're happy with the results. Make sure to push the cane together after every step so it doesn't fall apart. Now we need to give this a petal shape. Carefully connect the black corners so all the red clay is on the inside. Squish the top and bottom of the cane into a point and reduce. Another petal done. Take the small piece we cut off in the previous step. Connect the black corners together, red on the inside. Reduce this petal to get 3 pieces. You will need to put the pieces together side by side and push together to get a teardrop shape. One more petal done. And the last cane we're making is a sort of dandelion. Use strips of black and red clay to stack on each other. I got 4 layers, but you can do more if you want a denser pattern. Cut off uneven ends, and then start squishing one side into a point. Shape this a little more into a triangle and reduce to get 3 sections. Put the sections side by side and make sure you alternate the colors. Shape this into a semicircle and reduce to get 2 sections. Put the sections together, and again, red side to black side, and then reduce it as a round cane. Our dandelion is ready. Here are all the canes done. Now we're going to make earrings with them. I cut slices off the canes and arranged some of the petals into flowers. Reduce the petals a little smaller than you would need. You will see why in a little bit. Use red clay for the base and lightly imprint the cutter shape onto the base, just so you can have a better idea where the petals need to go. Arrange your flowers and leaves on the bases. Don't press anything too hard onto the base in case you need to rearrange the elements. Once you're happy with the look, sandwich the base between two pieces of paper. Use a tile or an acrylic block and press down. Press nice and firm first, then burnish either with the same tile or with a roller. As you can see, the elements spread out a little. That's why I made them a little bit smaller. I want to add texture on both the front and the back. I'm using 240 grit sandpaper for the front. Spritz it with a bit of water first so it doesn't stick to the clay, and then a sponge for the back. Sandwich the clay between the two and roll carefully with a roller. Cut out your earrings. I decided to change the shape of my earrings just a little bit. If you ever struggled to cut off even sections from both earrings, this is what I do. I cut a small piece from one earring, then line it up on top of the same section of the other earring. You might need to fiddle with it just a little so they line up evenly. Once the pieces are lined up, butt the cutter against the top piece and cut. Once you're happy with the look, bake the earrings. I usually mark little dots for the holes before baking and then drill them afterwards. Here are the earrings baked and assembled. I did a few other variations as well, like this black pair where I used a thin red outline on the canes we made. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.